Hello, this is Zach with Williams Family Racing.
In this video, we're going to be working on the driver's compartment, finishing up the last part. Hopefully the last part. So, Dad is working on getting it cut out right now. Okay, so there he is. Making all the measurements that we took. And we're going to take a piece of sheet metal all the way from here and run it all the way back to meet up and just finish it off. Seems pretty simple and straightforward, but as you can see, that is not exactly straight up and down. That makes it a little bit more difficult, and it's the same way over here. It's not as much of a angle like the other side is, but it makes it a little bit more complicated, but we're going to get it figured out. So I just wanted to show what this piece was looking like. It's looking pretty good. It ended up fitting really well. I don't know about the front side. I haven't looked at it yet. So we got it in, and we're about to start packing. We may have to trim it a little. It's too tall. On a little bit of it, not much. But we wanted to cut more than we needed just in case. But we'll get that in and I'll check in back with y'all later. So we just got finished up for the night. We didn't get much done, but this is what it ended up looking like. As you can see, we got that gap filled in, and we got it completely tacked up, and it ended up turning out pretty good. Finally, one piece we didn't mess up. It's true. There's the support team. Just wanted to show them because I know they don't want to be on camera. But that's what it looks like. That's our little update. Peace.